Hello, I'm Stephen Bean, president of Universal Coin Laundry Machinery, Michigan's oldest, largest, and premier developer of investor-owned, Speed Queen-equipped, coin-operated laundry businesses for folks who want to own one. Are you worried about making enough money these days? Concerned that your downsized 401 might not be enough to take care of your needs? You wake up in the middle of the night afraid that your job could be eliminated? Are you worried that your current small business just doesn't bring in the amount of income it used to? Did you take a buyout and are totally confused as to how to invest the money safely and profitably? Well, believe me, you're not alone these tough days. But when you hear what I have to tell you in the next few minutes, I think you'll likely find a realistic possible solution to your financial concerns. Did you know that every day in this country about $14 million is spent in coin-operated laundries? That's a $5 billion a year industry. Big business indeed, and getting bigger every day. Here's why. The coin laundry industry is growing by leaps and bounds because 36% of our population, more people than ever, that's about 108 million people, live in renter-occupied housing that generally provides inadequate laundry facilities, and also because people are just plain too busy these days to spend the time doing laundry one load at a time. And if they get behind, which is very common, it's mighty difficult to catch up. So they go to a modern coin laundry to use the big load capacity machines, which gets them in and out with their laundry done very fast so they can get on to more important things. And for the record, it just happens to be the single best retail business I know of today because it has no receivables, it's an all-cash business. It's actually one of the few service businesses where the customer pays you before the service is obtained when they put the money in the washers and dryers to start them up. Owning a coin laundry offers very high profitability and return on investment, and they are affordable. It's a recession-proof or resistant business because people simply have to do their basic laundry no matter what. The market for the product is driven out of the need for cleanliness, which is most certainly a basic health requirement. It requires a very minimum amount of readily available hired employees. It's not subject to seasonality. Laundry is done every day of the year. It's totally unique in the retail world in that regard. And the business can be easily, profitably, and effectively absentee-owned, and in fact, most are. So just who owns coin-operated laundry businesses? Well, our client list includes doctors, lawyers, dentists, and other professionals who just want a nice side source of income, people who already own a business and want to safely diversify their income streams with a non-complicated business that does not take much of their time and can be effectively operated on an absentee basis. And people who have taken a buyout and want to put the money to the best use possible by owning a low-risk, high-potential profit business that can grow steadily in value. Our company, Universal, has been in business since 1920, and believe me, we have a very diversified and interesting group of clients from virtually all walks of life who we've helped to own coin-operated laundry businesses. Sound too good to be true? Come and check it out for yourself at one of our absolutely free, no-obligation 2-hour Saturday morning informational seminars held at our offices in Royal Oak and learn exactly how Universal does virtually everything for you, including site determination, providing all the machinery and equipment, construction of the laundry. We'll completely train you as to how to run the business, and what's more, we'll help you finance it too. Give us a call to attend one of our amazingly interesting Universal Coin Laundry Profit Seminars at 248-435-6200 at our beautiful Royal Oak offices. Many people have and loved it, and I know you will too. The seminar is fabulous, the coffee is always fresh, and I think you'll find out that attending our Universal Coin Laundry Seminar could very likely change your financial outlook forever.